Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write a motivational post on LinkedIn. At first, always try to start with a personal story or challenge. For example, a years ago, I was ready to quit. Number 2, share the turning point like what changed yourself, what action did you take, etc. Number 3, highlight the lesson. Keep it relatable and inspiring. For example, failure isn't the end, it's feedback. Number 4, always be honest. Vulnerability builds trust. At last, end with encouragement or a question, as like, keep going, you are closer than you think, what motives, etc. That's all. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.